So today's video, we're going to be putting a new wing on my Mustang GT. We got a Speed Forum GT 350 style wing to go on it, done in satin black. So we're going to get this old one off. All right, so first, to get at the bolts for your wing, there's a couple that are in underneath this panel. So you want to take out these grommets, and then you want to take out your push pin clips and then pull this panel down. Now the other bolts are underneath these grommets in here. You'll look in some 10mm bolts. So we'll start working on that there now. All right, so now that you got this shield down, there's a 10mm there, 10mm there, one in on each side. So we'll start taking those off. The wing is also attached with two-way tape. So you can take these bolts out and the wing shouldn't fall off. You should have to pry on it a little bit. Alright, so now that we got our 4 bolts out, we should be able to start prying this wing off. It should be just two-way tape down. It's covered in pollen at the moment, but if you lift up your two-way tape, go, and then the old one pops right off, just like that. So now that you got the wing off, you can go ahead and give everything a spray and clean everything up before you put your new wing on there, because when you put two-way tape on your new wing and tape it down, you won't want to have any dirt and debris that can cause your wing not to stick. It is bolted down as well, but it's nice to have this nice and clean before you stick the new one down. So now what we got done is we got the adhesive backing hauled off, and then these screws, you're going to try to tread in from underneath the trunk so you can see where your holes line up. So you'll have to get an assistant to hold your wing in place and then above your trunk, and then you'll have to get in underneath here and tread those bolts in. So we'll do that and then show you the product. So now that we got the wing on in place, there's bolts that come with the kit. There's 6 cutouts on the wing for the bolts, but there's only 4 bolt hole openings from your stock wing. So I'm just going to use the 4 bolt holes plus the two-way tape that's on the wing, and rather than drill holes in my trunk, I'm going to leave it like that, and that should have no issue anyways. Once you get your wing on and all your bolts on, you can start clipping this back up in place. Put all your push pins in. Make sure you screw your rubber grommets back in. Keeps your trunk off your bumper, or gives it like a resting place on your bumper. And here's the final product. So it definitely gives the car a more aggressive look. Finished in satin black. Thanks for watching.